Not to say playbooks don't work, but you have to learn and evolve and adapt from within, not from external.
It's not that playbooks don't matter. You just have to realize you have to create a new playbook. You can't be bringing your old playbook around. That old playbook doesn't matter. There's things you can learn from it, but you can't bring the whole thing forward. You have to build a new one everywhere you go.
As the pace of innovation and change speeds up, so do the pace and innovation of how quickly we're changing our playbooks. They kind of go hand in hand. Whereas even 8 years ago, maybe a playbook from last year could have worked this year, but now it's like almost every few months you need to really completely rewrite it.